Hey YouTube, it's Bobby here, and I've got two chip teeth for you today. One of them actually fell out on its own. It was in for a long time, and the other one I just recently put back in, but I took out again because I wanted to give them a nice good etch, and the more videos I do, the more people I reach, and that's kind of my goal. So I'm going to teach you how to fix your chip teeth with the Prime-Dent chemical cure composite resin-based dental system. This is the kit. You get it off eBay. It's for like 20 bucks. Bonding costs like $600 per tooth. You get like 100 servings per your 20 bucks. So every tooth that you make is like $2 or whatever, you know. It depends on the size of your chip and everything, but you get a lot of servings per each kit for only 20 bucks when one bonding costs $600 at the dentist. Dentists do a really good job, don't get me wrong, and they do all the procedure right and in the right order, and they tend to do better jobs than you can do inside your bathroom. But this works amazing, and you can get really good at it. And if your bonding comes out often from the dentist or you can't pay for it, this is a great alternative. So I put a link for the kit down below so you can go and buy the kit off eBay. That's where I got it. Again, you need this kit, chemical cure composite kit, okay? So let's get started. First of all, you gotta brush your teeth like super well, alright? Literally brush the crap out of your teeth. If bacteria gets left on the tooth underneath the bond, it can fester in there and it can start an infection and decay of the tooth, and that infection is really close to your brain and it can lead up to your brain, and it has caused death before. So everyone beware. I mean, you're doing this on your own, just be careful. Alright, so we're gonna go through the full process right now, except for one thing, and that's the etchant. Okay, I've already brushed my teeth and I've already done the etchant. The etchant is what you would use first in this process if you just got it, and basically it's a low-grade acid, and you're going to drop it on your tooth. And when you drop it on your tooth, it's going to just take away a little bit of the enamel, and it's going to roughen up the tooth. Little micro pores in your tooth. It's going to roughen it up so that when you apply the bonding on top of the tooth, that it has, like, the bonding has something to grab onto, and that's why use the etchant. The etchant also helps clean the tooth as well. So there's the etchant. Drop it on, leave it on for about 5 minutes, just let it kind of sit. Like, just drop it on there and let it sit. It's really like a super acidy kind of vitamin C kind of taste. That's the etchant. Okay, next we're gonna have the base catalyst. Or it's, okay, so it's the base resin right here. Mine doesn't say it, but it should say base on it, okay? And then there's the catalyst. Catalyst is the second part to the resin. So basically, we're gonna put a little bit of the base, we're gonna drop a little bit of this base on top of the teeth where the chip is, okay? So we're gonna start like this, okay? Drop it on, right on the chip, okay? Alright, so now, we're going to take some catalyst, and we're going to do the same thing on the teeth. It's creating kind of a glue, alright? Alright, I'll let them mix. Alright, and then we're going to move to the bonding material, okay? So, you're going to get these two composites. You're going to do a 50-50 of each one when you mix them, okay? So, I'm going to take a little chunk out of this provided stick. With this provided stick, we're going to take a little chunk. Okay, put that on my finger. Make sure your fingers are clean. I don't use gloves because I like to feel it when I put it on my tooth. Alright, took another chunk. So now, I had two chunks. 50-50, one of each one, okay? I'm gonna roll it into a ball. I'm gonna smash it, roll it, just kind of like mix it as best as you can, because this is gonna start the process. Okay, so you want to keep this kind of dry. Let those catalysts and the resin mix. Keep them dry while you're rolling it in. Okay, get it really mixed up. It'll start drying though, so you're gonna have to hood this on fast, okay? Don't get too much on the back of your tooth when you hood this on, okay? Okay, so we're gonna push, press, and smear. Okay? Okay, sorry about that slobber. Press and smear. Back down. Make sure you don't have too much on the back of your tooth. Alright? And now take like one of these. And you're going to make the lines in your tooth, the gaps. Dental floss. Couldn't figure out the word. Fix that up. Okay. Okay. And I 2 gaps. Okay. Kind of get away, push away anything that's like just hanging there or anything like that. So now that I got my 2 gaps, I'm going to take some more of the catalyst right here. I'm just going to drop a little bit on my finger. Alright, right there. And I'm going to rub it around. I'm going to smoothen out the tooth. Kind of mix it back there and let the teeth dry. Alright, I'm gonna redo my gaps. Alright, and these teeth, they're drying right now, so kind of feel with your tongue. Alright, they're dry. Your teeth are ready to go. You can go out, be confident, do what you need. So if I taught you something, like and subscribe. Remember, I put the link to get the kit in the subscription or in the description. So you guys have a great day, and I hope I helped you out.